Sun worship is a very old religion dating back thousands of years before the Roman Empire. But in Rome, the sun god was called Mithra. Mithraism was the main religion in the Roman Empire at the time that Christianity was coming into play in the Roman Empire. Emperor Constantine was a follower of Mithra, and Mithra was God's son who died on a cross. He was dead for 3 days and rose again. Emperor Constantine was famous for starting the Roman Catholic Church. The Roman Catholic Church was not started by Jesus. It was started by a Roman emperor. And it was headquartered in Rome, not the heaven. He was mixing Judaism and Mithraism and some of the other religions of the Arabic world that also worshiped the sun, and brought all of these different religions together in order to confirm the power of Caesar in Rome under one religion and one government. It was actually a world government, supposedly, at the time.
Thank you for watching, and much love to you all.